Chicago police, yo, pay attention! Good!
On March 20th, 2025, officers from the Chicago Police Department responded to a domestic disturbance involving an armed man holding a woman captive inside a residence.
Chicago Emergency Mahaffey.
Hello? My sister called for emergency and she said they were going to call me, but I can't answer it now. But my mom's inside.
What's the problem?
Huh?
What's going on there?
Her boyfriend has a gun. He put it at me and my mom's head. Told me I could go to school, so I told him my sister was getting me, and I ran to my auntie's house, and he been there hitting her. He already been to jail before. His name is, I don't know his last name.
How old are you?
15.
So, where are you right now?
I'm with my auntie. She stays over here.
Did he look like he was drunk, or did he look like he was drunk or impaired by drugs? Does he do drugs?
No. He was telling me he was a gangster or some stuff. He got teardrops on his face and tattoos on his face.
You can sense the fear and desperation in the caller's voice. She's trying to protect her mother from a man she's genuinely terrified of. This isn't just another call. This is life or death for this family.
Give me one more car to be out back, okay? 511. Miss?
Can I get in the car?
Yeah. You send one more car this way so we can cover the back. The caller is out here now. She's got keys to the apartment. Says he's still inside and he's been to jail for shooting at the police before. One second. All right, so here's the thing. I need to ask you one thing from you, okay?
Yeah.
We got another unit coming so we can cover the back, okay?
Okay.
Once we go, I need you to come up. You got to unlock the door and then just get the hell out of the way, okay? I can't just make entry into your house, but if you let us in, then that's okay, okay? Does that sound good to you?
Yeah.
Can I give you the keys back here?
Can I do it now?
No, we're going to wait for one more car to get up here to cover the back door, and then we'll go up there, okay? Are you talking to your mom now, or is that your aunt?
This is my dad.
Your dad? Okay. Describe this guy to me.
He has, like, dreads.
Dreads?
He's like 5'9", 5'8".
Okay.
I know his name.
Okay. Is he a fat guy or skinny guy?
He's like, no. Oh, sorry. He's like a little kind of both.
Did you just call my partner fat?
No.
And you saw the gun today?
Yeah, he got tattoos on his face.
Did you see the gun today?
Yeah, he had put it to my head, and then my mom got in front of me, he put it to her head. He kept hitting her with it.
Okay. All right. Yeah. Once the other car unit gets here, we'll go inside, make sure your mom's all right. Okay.
Yeah. She's hard of hearing, so my dad's coming because you probably won't know what she has to say.
Okay. She's hard of hearing?
Yeah, she's does. He is too.
The top right room is where he's at?
Yeah. Can I go do it now?
No, we're going to wait a second.
As officers gather outside, you feel the tension. Knowing the suspect has shot at police before changes everything. The team has to move carefully. One wrong move, and it could all go sideways.
When we go up there, I want you to get right behind me, okay, to the door. And then as soon as you unlock it, you come right back here. We'll leave the car unlocked. You just hop in, okay? Actually, you know what? Since 512 will be in the back, can you walk her back to the car and just have her sit down in here? Is that cool? You want to toss her the keys? I got my thing in the back too, so don't leave it unlocked. Okay, so follow me to the door, and as soon as you unlock the door, go with this officer right back to the car, okay? All right, hold on 1 second. And we're going to take the front. She's got the keys. It's the daughter. Daughter's right in the middle.
This guy had a shooting right in this unit.
Okay. If you guys could just loop around the back end just in case he tries to score. He's supposed to be in the upper right bedroom right now, okay? All good, man? All right.
This moment is all about patience and nerves. Officers take time to ensure everyone's safe before going in. There's anxiety in the air. everyone knows what's at stake.
Police! Police! Hey, just check low real quick. Chicago police, anybody home? Chicago police! Hold on. Wait for Buck. Let me go first. I don't want you getting shot tonight. My car. Chicago police!
We got a basement.
Hold on the door. Chicago police, yo! Hey, attention! Gun! We got a gun! Shots fired. All good, get up here. Bedroom. 511, send an EMS. Offenders down, weapon recovered. Give me a sergeant over here. Secure the gun.
All right, we got EMS rolling. 510 is en route. Is the offender down?
Say yes. Tell them the offender's down.
10-4, where shots fired by police?
Yes.
Shots
Fucking Christ, man. Woo! Jesus Christ.
fired by police.
All righty. Someone stand down real quick, just down here for me. Don't go up on top because he's bleeding like crazy. Okay.
You want to get an IVAX?
What's up?
You might get an IVAX kit.
That ain't gonna work on this one, man.
Okay.
Someone come up, secure the rest of these bedrooms with me. Is the victim okay?
The lady, she ran out the front door, man.
Okay. Hey, Dylan.
Okay, everybody good?
Dylan, get up here.
You
want Dylan?
Yeah, well, whoever. Just help clear the rest.
Officers in 5 are good. The offender is down. We got EMS rolling. 510 is en route as well.
Come on.
Everything happens in a split second. The officers are face to face with an armed suspect. Decisions made in these moments can mean life or death. After the shooting, training takes over, but you can hear the relief and shock in everyone's voices.
I need a drink. You guys got some beer?
The London Town Hall.
Hey, John.
I know. Oh, what am I doing, dude? Can't get my fucking head on here.
You want to sit outside for a minute?
No, I'm good. Yeah, just wait for. It's cold outside, man.
Yeah. Fresh air. Who's upstairs right now?
Dylan, Brian, and Mav are upstairs still.
All right, as soon as I have the unit available, I need you guys to whoever fired the shot and their star number, you can send it up to the zone.
511-10-4. Give us a minute. I think he might be some bad juju, man.
This is the first 2 days.
Crazy, man.
It's crazy.
The aftermath is heavy. Officers are relieved, but also shaken. It's a reminder that even when the worst is over, the emotional weight lingers. Their first thought is making sure everyone's okay.
Lock on the street if they're coming through. Okay, wait for the ambulance, make sure the ambulance can get through. Are you okay?
All good, yeah? Everything's fine. This man. Yeah.
Make sure you keep your weapon secured. How are you feeling?
Good.
Little,
Little lightheaded.
I'm sure.
Yeah.
I'm sure.
Yeah.
Sergeant coming up. How's our victim?
Could he? I didn't know if you would notice. Well, I actually can't because of the camera. Disregard.
These guys have up here. You guys just hang out down there. Okay.
As things calm down, you hear the real toll. Officers check on each other, share a drink of water, and try to process what just happened. For everyone involved, these moments stay with you long after the scene is cleared.